Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Rumi and today I'm going to be sharing with you my week 3 of capillary schedule. So in this video I'm going to be showing you what hair mask and hair treatments I'm using throughout the entire week. So if you guys don't know what is a capillary schedule, let me go ahead and give you a brief idea. So capillary schedule is a schedule made specifically for your hair type. It is quite personalized and it shows you what hair mask and hair treatments you can do to improve the quality of your hair. So it tells you exactly what your hair needs and you can personalize it as per your availability. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I have already made a video on capillary schedule where I have explained the entire thing quite in depth, and if you have not yet watched that video, I will link it in the description box below. You can check that out. It will tell you how you can make your own personalized capillary schedule to get started. And after that I started this series wherein I am sharing my week by week capillary schedule. So what hair treatments I'm doing, what hair mask I'm doing. So if you guys have not yet watched my week 1 and week 2 videos, I will also link them in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. So this video is all about my week 3. So if you guys want to know more, keep on watching. So today is day 1 of my week 3 of capillary schedule. So I'll just go ahead and comb my hair. And today I'm supposed to do hydration treatment according to my capillary schedule. So for my scalp treatment, I'm going to use this organic Amalaki hair oil serum. It has a lot of awesome Ayurvedic ingredients like Brahmi, Bhringraj, Avla, to name a few. And I'll just go ahead and apply it on my scalp. And after this, using my fingers, I'll give a quick massage to my scalp. After this, using my electric massager, I'll go ahead and give my scalp a massage for the next 5 to 10 minutes. And now I will go ahead and let this scalp treatment sit on my hair for the next 1 to 2 hours. And then I will apply my hydration mask. Now to make this Kalonji Methi hydrating hair mask, we will need 2 tablespoons of Kalonji. Kalonji is also called as black seed or Nigella seed. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant nutrients and it helps to strengthen hair, also helps to treat hair loss, and it might prevent premature graying. To it, I will go ahead and add about a tablespoon of methi or fenugreek seeds. So fenugreek seeds have a high protein and nicotinic acid content. These are known to be beneficial against hair fall and dandruff, and in treating a variety of scalp issues like dry hair, baldness, and hair thinning. These seeds also help in moisturizing hair and bringing back luster and volume. I'm using this much quantity because I have medium length hair. Now I'll go ahead and quickly heat it for next 1 to 2 minutes at medium high heat. After that, I quickly went ahead and blended my fenugreek and Kalonji in a blender. And if you want, you can go ahead and using a sieve, you can filter this mixture, and this is what you should get. Now you don't need to throw the big particles of Kalonji and methi. I would suggest go ahead and put this along with coconut oil in a glass jar just like this. So this is a glass jar which I had, and I already have coconut oil and I have used Kalonji and methi from earlier, and I will go ahead and put this inside this coconut oil there. And you can go ahead add more coconut oil, and you can use this oil as your scalp treatment. Along with it, you can add castor oil and coconut oil or whichever oil you prefer, and go ahead and make your own DIY scalp treatment. Now for my hair mask, to this Kalonji and methi mixture, I will go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. It helps to nourish your hair follicles and also helps to grow your hair. This is the one which I'm using. Next, I will go ahead and add about a teaspoon of organic honey. Honey is again very good for your hair. It nourishes and moisturizes the hair follicles. So I'll be using 1 teaspoon of honey. Now to it, I will go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Yogurt is again very good conditioner for your hair. Last but not the least, I will go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Olive oil has very good content of vitamin E, so it helps to prevent hair graying and again has very good nourishing properties. Now I'll go ahead and mix this. And there I have my Methi Kalonji Hydrating Hair Mask. Once I'm done, I'll go ahead and quickly tie my hair in a bun. And after that, I'll use a shower cap. And after that, I will go ahead and use my hot head shower cap for my deep conditioning treatment to get evenly distributed to my entire hair follicles and throughout my entire hair, and to do its magic. And after this, I will go ahead and wait for the next 40 to 45 minutes to let all the goodness get inside my hair. And after that, I will take this hot head cap out and then wait for the next 1 hour, and then I'll go ahead and wash my hair. So these are my shampoo conditioner which I used after my Methi Kalonji hydration hair mask. So this is the shampoo which I used, and this is again from Khadi Natural, and it is their Amla and Bhringraj. I got it when I was visiting India. It's almost getting finished. This is such an amazing shampoo if you are considering to get a shampoo for your hair. They have a lot of options available, and this is the conditioner which I used. It's from Kalia Natural. I don't have a Khadi conditioner, so yeah, this is what I used. So this is how my hair looks after 2 days of applying my Methi Kalonji hydration hair mask. It smells of methi and kalonji, and I really like that. I feel my hair is so much softer, silkier, shinier even after 2 days. So today is the second day of my 3rd week of capillary schedule, and this is the oil treatment which I'm going to be using today, and this is a DIY oil treatment. So this has coconut oil 4 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, and methi and kalonji, which I showed you while I was making my Methi Kalonji mask. So as earlier, I'm just going to brush my hair so as to remove any tangles that might be present. One more thing, before applying any DIY scalp treatment, you should just go ahead and warm it. Now the best way how you can warm your oil is take a bigger bowl with warm water in it, and then place the container where you have your oil on top of it and wait for next 2 to 3 minutes, and your oil will get warmed. So that's the best way how you can warm your hair oil. Now I'll go ahead and apply it all over my scalp. Once I'm done, I'll go ahead and gently massage my scalp using my fingers. After that, I will go ahead and using my electric massager, I will massage my scalp for the next 5 to 10 minutes. Now after this, I'll go ahead and secure my hair with the help of a hair clip. And then on top of it, I'm using a shower cap. And now I'm going to use my hot head treatment. So I'll just go ahead and put it on top of my shower cap. Next up, what I'm going to do, I'll remove this hot head cap after 40 to 45 minutes, and then I will let my hair rest for next 1 to 2 hours. and then I will go ahead and apply my hydration mask. So today, as per my capillary schedule, I have to do another hydration mask, and for today I have chosen to do the henna hydration mask again, because last time when I did it, I think I did it in week 1 and I really loved the results. If you have not yet watched that video, and if you would like to know how to make this awesome hydration henna mask, I will link it in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. So today is my last day of my week 3 of capillary schedule, and for my scalp massage today I'm going to be using this organic Amalaki hair oil serum. So first of all, I will go ahead and use my wooden comb, and I will brush my hair gently so as to remove all the tangles. And after that, I will go ahead and using my electrical massager, I will go ahead and massage my scalp for the next 5 to 10 minutes. Now after that, I will go ahead and secure my hair with the help of a clip. And then I'll place a shower cap on top of it. And then, yes, you guessed it right, I'm going to use my hot head treatment. Which I already went ahead and warmed in my microwave. So now it's nice and warm, and I will let it sit on my hair for the next 40 to 45 minutes. Now to make today's nutrition mask, I will need about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and about half cup of water, and I'll keep on stirring it. And that is how your mixture should also look. Once it's ready, I'll go ahead and transfer it in a bowl. Now to this mixture, I'll go ahead and add about a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm adding olive oil because it has vitamin E and it nourishes our hair follicles and also helps to prevent premature graying. And now to it, I will go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has a lot of benefits. It helps prevent dandruff, and it cleans our scalp. Now I'll go ahead and mix these together. And now you can see my cornstarch nutrition mask is ready. Now I'll go ahead and apply it on my hair. I'm all done. I'll go ahead and secure my hair. And now I will let this cornstarch nutrition mask to sit on my hair for the next 40 to 45 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and wash my hair with my regular shampoo and conditioner, and I'll show you the results tomorrow. And so these are the results from my yesterday's nourishing mask. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are also trying this capillary schedule at home. How is your experience? I would love to hear that out. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with all your friends and family who are also experiencing similar hair issues. And if you guys don't want to miss on more such amazing content of mine, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye-bye and have a beautiful day ahead. Bye.